Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create cardboard cutout photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start the tutorial. First we have to design background. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Drag this texture file on your document. Change blending mode from normal to multiply. Drag your photo on your document. Transform your image according to your resolution of document. I am just changing background color to match our subject. Right-click on your subject layer and select Blending Options. Select Stroke, change position from outside to inside. Change color to light gray and hit OK. Set size in between to 5 to 7. Select Satin, change blend mode from normal to screen. Change opacity in between 9 to 11. Now select Drop Shadow, adjust the values according to your requirement. Hit OK. Now duplicate the texture layer by pressing Ctrl J. Move the layer on top of the panel. Right-click on Layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Adjust the texture layer. Here is the final output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.